Thanksgiving Day is a holiday celebrated in November in America and in Canada. In 1620, the pilgrims from England wanted to go to a new land for religious freedom. They went to the America in a boat called the Mayflower. The pilgrims arrived in America at a place now called Plymouth Rock. There were the Native Americans living there, and they helped them grow food. 1 year later, after the fruits and the vegetables grew, the pilgrims picked them up. To celebrate the first harvest, they decided to have a giant feast, inviting the Native Americans to come enjoy the dinner with them. They ate for 3 days. The pilgrims were thankful for the things they had. They were thankful that the Native Americans helped them. This was the first Thanksgiving in America. Today, families celebrate Thanksgiving by eating a big turkey dinner and enjoying pumpkin pie. Now let's see the most used words for Thanksgiving. Native American. Native American. Pilgrim. Pilgrim. Pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie. Beans. Beans. Turkey. Turkey. Corn. Corn. Dinner. Dinner. Mayflower. Mayflower. November. November. Tradition. Tradition. Yam. Yam. Stuffing. Stuffing. Cranberry sauce. Cranberry sauce. Cornucopia. Cornucopia. Wishbone. Wishbone. Harvest. Harvest. Feast. Feast. Gravy. Gravy. Family. Family. Acorn. Acorn. Hat. Hat. Bread. Bread. Apple pie. Apple pie.